If you need to add a quote block into a Squarespace website page, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's quick and easy, so let's dive in. Alright, so right from this page where you'll be able to see your website, you're going to go into the edit button on the top left. Now, as you scroll, you'll be able to hover your cursor over a section, such as this section over here, and to the left you will see an add block option. Let's click on this. Here you're going to go down and look for a quote. We are going to now see that this is the quote block. You can click down and move it to an appropriate space. Once it's in the space that you would like it in, you can also use the corners to drag it open and closed to make it larger and smaller. The next thing you can do is align the actual block itself, and then you can click on the edit button, and from here you can edit the content. So in the first section, it's the actual quote, and the second section will be the source of the quote, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you're not entirely happy with what it looks like, we can go over to the right hand side, we can click on design, and here we can change the animation style. We can also change the background style. You can change the background color, you can add a stroke, you can also change the border, radius, padding, and then you can also change the blend mode, and you can add a blur to that. Now, if you get out of that section and you would like to edit it more, you can go ahead, click on it again, and just click on that section, and you can edit that again.